Namaste and welcome to International Yoga Day Practice with Shiba. It is my pleasure and privilege to have you all here with me today, and I'm so happy that you chose to begin your day or your midday, as it may be, with a yoga practice. आप सब जानते हैं कि योगा हमारी लाइफ में कितनी अहमियत रखता है, और जो नहीं जानते हैं उनको मैं बता दूं, योगा is a wonderful practice for your mind, body and soul. When I discovered yoga, मुझे लगा कि it's a very slow and steady practice and possibly not for me. But ever since I've discovered it, I'm never going back. At the end of this session today, I will be happy to take questions from all of you. So for now, lay out your mats, and if you can switch on your camera so I can see you, that will be nicer. Switch on all your cameras and sit down in a comfortable position. Any position which you can hold for a long and steady time. Sthiram Sukham Asanam. Sit comfortably. If you can't sit directly on the floor, you could put a cushion or a rolled up blanket underneath you. And let's begin with the universal sound of the universe. Om. Gently close your eyes, index and thumb joint, chin mudra. Place them facing upwards on your thighs. Relax your neck and shoulders. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Om. Hands in chin mudra on your knees. Inhale on my count and exhale on my count. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last one. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. And exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we are moving on to Surya Bhedi. It is a pranayam which is energizing and heating for the body. Surya, as you know, is connected to our right nostril. And when we inhale from our right nostril only, we create heat in our body. I'm going to have you take your hand palm out, close your index finger, your middle finger, make a Vishnu Mudra, close your left nostril with your inhale from your right nostril, shut your right nostril with your thumb, and exhale from your left. Again, shut your left nostril, inhale from your right nostril, and exhale from your left. We will do 8 rounds of this. So begin Vishnu Mudra and shut your left nostril. Inhale from your right nostril, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale from your left nostril, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale right nostril, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale left nostril, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale right nostril, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale left nostril, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale through your right nostril, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale through your left nostril, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once again, right nostril inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale from your left nostril, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale through your right nostril, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale left nostril, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale from your right nostril, 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale from your left nostril, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you realize, this was just the Vilom part of Anulom Vilom. I broke it up into 2. So we did just the Surya Bhedi to warm you up for the practice that is coming ahead. Moving on to Bhasrika. For people who don't know what Bhasrika is, it is forceful inhalation and exhalation in a rhythm. For Bhasrika, I will have you place your hands parallel to the floor, bent at the elbows. Crab arms is what we call. And crab arms, make a fist. Inhale, exhale. Loud breathing from your nostrils. Keep your shoulders and your head relaxed. No tension anywhere in your body. 1 minute of Bhasrika. Beautiful, beautiful. That's lovely. Continue. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. At any point during the pranayam, if you feel a head rush or you feel dizzy, please stop. Always listen to your body. Your body is the boss. You can stop now. Take a couple of deep breaths in and out. And we will do our last pranayam for today, which is Kapalbhati. We all know what is Kapalbhati. Yes, it is forceful exhalation. You don't have to concentrate on the inhalation, that is automatic. So we will exhale for 50 counts. Begin. When you finish, bring a nice, gentle smile on your face. We have warmed up our internal organs, prepare it for the asana practice that is coming ahead, and we will continue with some gentle stretching. Let us begin by stretching our neck. Drop your chin to your chest. Hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel the stretch at the back, cervical, and then gently roll your head up all the way. Roll your eyeballs up. Look towards the ceiling. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Keep your breath steady. Breathe into all the warm-up stretches. Always remember, yoga is the union of breath and asana. Never get breathless or take short breaths. Come back, chin to chest, and up. Exhale down, inhale up. 4 down and up. 5, 6 down, 7, 8 down, 9, 10, last 2, last 1. Now drop your ear gently to your right shoulder for a side stretch. Feel the stretch on the side of your neck. 1, opposite side. 2, 3, don't forget to breathe. 5, 6, 8. Come back to center, and now we will take our chin to shoulder. Look to the right, look to the left. 2, right. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Stay on your right shoulder, and from here we will do half circle from down to the left, from the left to the right, from the right to the left. Half circles. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Bring your palms out in front of you now, and we are going to push our arms away from our body like we are pushing some force. We are warming up our shoulders. Push and pull it back. Join your shoulder blades behind when you pull. Push. 2 and pull. Push. 3 and pull. Feel like you're pushing a force away. And 4. Pull back. And 5. Pull back. And 6. I'm pushing this wall away. 7. And 8. Something is pushing me back. And the last one. And in. Now place your fingertips on your shoulders and shoulder rotations. Join your elbow in the center. 1. Gentle, gentle, no jerky movements. Very soft movements. 3, 4, 5. Don't forget to breathe. 6. Inhale, exhale. 7. Now reverse it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, One, that's beautiful. The people who have the camera on, that's beautiful. Now place your left hand on your right knee, right hand behind you, and twist. Twist, try to look to the back of the room. Shift your eyeballs to the back of the room and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now opposite side, right hand on left hand behind you and twist. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again. Twist. 3, 2, 1. Twist left side. 3, 2, 1. Twist right side. Feel the beautiful stretch along your spine. Twist on the left side. And come back to center. Now place both your fingertips on your side. Lift your right arm up. Try to place your palm or your forearm, whatever reaches. It's not a competition. Lengthen the right side of your body all the way to your fingertips and move down. Move down and hold the stretch. Breathe deep into the stretch. The longer you breathe, the lower you will go. Try to look upwards at the ceiling. Get a compression on your left side and a nice long extension on your right side. Feel the stretch. Breathe into the stretch. Go down deeper and deeper. Gently push back to center. And let's go on the right side. Push down, look up. Fingertips, palm, forearm, anything can be on the floor. Stretch up. Feel the stretch along the entire left obliques to the tips of your fingers. Pull your hand towards the opposite end of the room. Keep pulling your arm. Feel the beautiful stretch all the way to your glutes. Keep breathing into the stretch. And let's do it once more on the opposite side. Left side, bend down. That's lovely, beautiful. You girls are doing so well. This gentleman is flexible, great, fantastic. Breathe into the stretch, breathe into the stretch and reverse. Go to the other side. It's very nice, very nice. Look up. Keep your arms stretched out ahead of you. Try not to have a bend in the arm. Stretch it out. Actually feel the muscle that you are. Feel the stretch. Feel that you are elongating your body. Come back to center. Interlock your fingers. Take them up. And let's do some side bending. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stretch your arms out, up. Don't keep your arms soft. Come back to center. Now twist to the right. Twist. Really stretch it out. And now sink into the front. Sink, exhale and sink down. Go wherever your body allows you to go. Sink in, breathe out, exhale and sink deep. Sink deeper, sink in. Keep going down lower. Breathe into the stretch. Inhale, lift up. And place your fingertips behind you. Open your chest to the sun. And really inhale into your body. Inhale gratitude and happiness that your body is able to do all this for you. Beautiful. Now come back to center. We began at the top, stretching down, and we are going to go on to our tabletop. Move on to your tabletop. Wrists and shoulders in one line. Knees and hips in. Try to create a perfect square with your body. And let's do our Manjari Asana. Posture. How a cat inhales and exhales, that is what we are going to do. So inhale, create a hollow in your body, look up at the ceiling. And when you exhale, you will look towards your thigh and create a nice round arch on your spine. Let's do 8 of these. So inhale, gently up, create a nice compression in your back, a concave back. Exhale down, look towards your thighs, round off, feel the stretch, breathe into it. Inhale up, 2, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. Really feel your spine doing the work. Inhale up, last one, exhale down, inhale up, hold it for 1, 2, 3, exhale down, hold it for 1, 2, 3. That is absolutely beautiful. Can you feel your spine heating up? Now from here, I'm going to have you straighten out your right leg. Straighten out your right leg. Place it over the top of your left leg and look over your left shoulder. Hold it here. 1. And keep pushing the floor away. Don't lose your alignment. Don't bend into your elbows. Keep your elbows. Keep looking at your right toe. Bring it back. And do the reverse with your left leg on your right side. Look over your right at your left toes. Really feel the stretch. Hold it here. That's absolutely beautiful. Come back to center. And now you're going to do thread the needle. For thread the needle, you will take your right and you will take it through your left arm all the way down. Place your temple and your shoulder down and look up at the ceiling. Really feel the stretch. Keep rotating your torso towards the ceiling. Up. Take your right arm up and place it down. Do the same with your left. Left arm up and through your right. Place your shoulder and your temple down. Look up at the ceiling. Feel that beautiful stretch all along your body, your spine, your glutes. And do 1 or 2 more. Let me see. Go on. Right arm up. Swing it through. And place your temple and shoulder down. Rotate up. That's beautiful. Beautiful. Very nice. Breathe into this stretch. Try and rotate more. Keep trying to push your left shoulder up and your right shoulder down. Try to rotate it more. Rotate. Thread the needle. Now the other side. Left arm up. Breathe into the stretch. Left arm up. Swing it through your right arm. And as you are down, keep trying to rotate and straightening the right shoulder up towards the ceiling. Breathe into it. 3, 2, 1. That is absolutely lovely. Come back to center. And now you will sink into your puppy pose. So you're rolling your fingertips out. Your knees and hips will remain in alignment. And sink your chest into the floor. Chest and chin onto the floor. Sink in. Keep sinking in. Feel the stretch on your upper back and your cervical. Sink into that. Oh, that's lovely. That's absolutely beautiful. Breathe into this stretch. Keep pushing your hips back so they're aligned with your knees. Yes, that's lovely. That's absolutely beautiful. Breathe into it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Fantastic. Come back. Come back. And we will move on to our hips. What we do is stretch our left arm and our right leg out. Point your toes. Point towards the front of the room. Suck your. No belly hanging. Belly sucked in. And we are going to balance here. Balance postures are extremely important for the nervous system. And they keep all our cells rejuvenated. Hold it here. And now, right arm, left leg. Hold. Hold. Really stretch out your body. My toes are pointed. My fingers are facing. My gaze is on my fingertips. My belly is sucked in tight, but I am breathing. I'm breathing into the balance. This is strengthening my glutes, my back, my elbows, my shoulders, my ankles, my wrists. It's getting strengthened. Come back to center. Let's do 3 more. Right leg, left foot, left arm, opposite leg. Hold it there. Beautiful. That's really beautiful. Hold it. Other side. Hold it. That's absolutely beautiful. And from here now, what we are going to do is make it a dynamic movement. So the same left arm and right will meet in the center and go up to make a nice arch of your back. Left elbow, right knee, right leg up like a cow, like we just did. Arch your back when you go up. Beautiful. Very nice. And come in and crunch. Feel the crunch in your abs and out. Crunch in 3, crunch in 4 and 5, in, last 2, last 1, and other side. Switch sides. So opposite arm, opposite leg, knee and elbow meet in the center with a nice rounding of your back and the arch on the top. 1 and 2. Don't forget to breathe. And 3 and 4. Try not to tilt your body. Keep your body center. That will happen if your core is activated. And 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, and you can stop here. You can sit back in baby posture. Give yourself a couple of deep breaths here. You're doing so good. Whenever you feel the need to relax, push back into this baby posture and give yourself a couple of breaths to catch your breath. At any point during practice, if you get breathless, move back into your baby and get breath. This is not an exercise. It's not an aerobic movement. So always remember the union of breath and asana. Let's continue. Come back up gently into your tabletop. And now I'm going to fire up your core and your legs. So what we're going to do is gentle lift off with your leg bent, a fire hydrant, up and down. We're going to do 8 of these. 2 and 3. And try and look at your knee as it's going up. And 4 and 5 and 6. Don't tilt your body. And 7 and last one, down on the left side. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5. Don't forget to breathe. 6. Exhale. 7. Exhale. And last one. From here, go back to your right side and we're going to do some circles. Leg is bent. We're going to circle clockwise. 1 and 2. Slow, gentle. Really feel the burn. 4. Feel your legs and your glutes firing up. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Now reverse it. 8 and 7. Can you feel the burn? And 6 and 5 and 4. Beautiful. And 3, 2. Lovely. Let's do it on the left side. Left, begin clockwise circles. 1 and 2 and 3. Exhale. 4. Exhale. Feel the burn. 5, 6. Feel your glutes firing up. 7 and 8. Reverse it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. From here, curl your toes in and push back into your Parbatasana. Push back into your mountain. If you're not able to touch your heels to the floor, that's all right. Keep a slight bend in your knees. Keep them soft. You'll get there eventually. From here, I'm going to have you walk the dog. So we are going to walk the doggy by pedaling out our legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now bend both the knees and straighten them. And push your chest towards your thighs. And straighten. Push your chest towards your thighs. Bend and straighten. Bend and straighten. Bend and straighten. Now rock your pelvis from the right side to the left side. Rock. Just rock, rock. Rock. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Come back to your mountain. Over here, you can shake your neck out, shake your shoulders out. Anywhere you feel a tightness, this is, you can release it. Just shake it all out. Now, swing your right arm back and bring it in palms into Anjanaya Asana. Inhale into your Anjanaya Asana. Arms shoulder width apart. Look up at the feet, bend down. Feel your hamstrings and quads are stretching. Keep sinking your hips down to the floor. Your ankle and knee should be aligned. From here, you push back and sit on your ankle. Triyanga Mukhe. If you can see me, I'm sitting on my left foot. My right leg extended out. Arms are up. I exhale and I'm sinking into my right foot. You can hold, can reach. It's not a competition. Whatever makes your body feel good. Sink in and breathe into the stretch. Deep inhalations and exhalations. Beautiful. That's absolutely beautiful. Come back up. Use your palms to push yourself back into Anjanaya Asana. Palms, both sides of your right leg. Push back up into your mountain. From here to the left side, left leg up. Place them between your palms. Come down into your Anjanaya Asana. Breathe into your asana. Now sit back onto your right heel. Left leg extended out in front of you. Hopefully everybody can see me and hear me. Arms are up. Exhale into your left leg. Wherever you can reach again. You could be here, 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 wherever you can comfortably reach. Really breathe into this stretch. Push back into your Anjanaya Asana. Go back into your mountain. Knees, chin onto the floor. Ashtang Namaskar. Roll up into your Bhujangasana. Hold it here. Look over your left shoulder. Look over your right shoulder. Look left. Look right. Look left. Look right. As you shift your body weight, keep exhaling. Exhale right. Exhale left, exhale right, and push back into your mountain. Bring your knees back to the floor. Sit back in your Vajrasan. And extend your feet, legs out in front of you, and sit in Dandasana. Sit in your Dandasana, back straight, toes pointing towards you. Extend your arms up and exhale into Paschimottanasana. Exhale down wherever you can go comfortably. Don't stretch, don't strain, don't jerk, don't feel any pain. Just exhale. As you keep exhaling into a stretch, you can go deeper. Exhale, exhale. Try to touch your belly to your thighs. Exhale and move in deeper. Adjust your sit bones, go up and down, and you'll go deeper. Beautiful. Come back. Plant your feet on the floor and lie back. Lie back with your knees bent, feet shoulder width apart. And we are going to do 8 counts of bridge. Gently lift your torso. Squeeze it up. Hold it here. Feel the extension. Try to join your shoulder blades around here. Over here, you join your shoulder blades and down. And 2 up and down. And 3 up and down. And down. 5 and down. 6 up. Squeeze up and release down. Last 2, squeeze up, release down. Last 1, really squeeze it here. Squeeze it. Squeeze your shoulder blades, squeeze your glutes. Get the movement all over your body. And slowly release up. Now straighten your legs. Bring them up to a 60-degree angle. And lift your body off the floor. Arms out straight. Activate the core now. You can be here if this is more comfortable. You can hold on to your thighs if that is more comfortable. You can keep it straight. There is no hard and fast rule. Do whatever feels good. This. Just be on your sit bones. You're sitting on your glutes. Your back is straight. Your legs are straight. Hold it here. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly go down. Palms on your side. Facing up. Feet slightly apart. Let them close your eyes gently. Gently close your eyes to most people's favorite part of the practice, Shavasana. Feel yourself relaxing. Feel the gratitude in your heart for being part of the practice today. Feel any anxiety that you have slowly leaving your body as you exhale and inhale. Inhale gratitude. Exhale your toxins and your stress. Inhale. Exhale. Relax your forehead. Relax the skin in your eyebrows. Relax your eyes. Relax your jaws, your shoulders, your fingertips, your chest. Feel yourself getting heavy onto the floor. Relax your legs, eyes, your toes. Whenever you're ready, gently with your eyes closed, move on to your left side. Use your right palm to push yourself off the floor. Keep your eyes gently. Come back into Sukhasana. Rub your palms. Place them over your eyes. Place them on the top of your head. Slide them to the back of your neck. And bring in front of your eyes. Now gently open your eyes here and look at your palms. Join your palms in heart center. With a big smile. Whenever you're ready, open your eyes. Beautiful. I love all those beautiful smiles. It was so nice to see you all practice. I can see that all of you have been doing yoga, the ones who I can see, jinke cameras on hai. Beautiful. Your bodies are very flexible, very healthy, very beautiful. And I'm happy that you could do the whole practice. I saw some of you pushing yourself even deeper, and that was. And now, if you have any questions, I am here to answer them. Otherwise, I'm always available on my Instagram at Simply Shiba for any DM yoga related query. Prashant, you can unmute anybody who needs to ask any questions.
Yes. So, guys, if you have any questions, please ask. Or if you want to share your experience, how was the session, please go ahead. You can unmute yourself and speak.
Jinita Pandya, thank you so much. It was so wonderful having you in this session. It was beautiful. Thank you. Nice to meet you too, Mona Lisa. Thank you so much for being here this morning. It's a very special day. No, लेकिन एक ही दिन को योगा डे क्यों बोलते हैं? Because हम सब के लिए रोज योगा डे होना चाहिए. योगा का कोई भी एक अंक आपको रोज करना चाहिए. Whether it is the asana, the pranayam, whether it is the dhyan, whether it is the dharana, कोई भी एक अंक every single day of your life आप पकड़िए and do it. Stretches that I did with you all in the beginning of the session, जिसमें spine के सारे movements थे, सारी दिशा की, sides, side, forward, back, ये तो उठते ही बेड पे ही हो सकते हैं. Stretches 10 minutes सुबह उठते ही. Thank you, Mayank. I'm so happy that you were part of this session. सुबह उठते ही you should absolutely make it like कि जैसे आप ब्रश करते हैं और उठते हैं, उससे पहले बस आप एक अच्छे 15 मिनट के स्ट्रेचेस एंड कोई भी एक प्राणायाम पकड़ के करिए. आपको रोज अनुलोम विलोम, रोज कपालभाति, रोज भस्त्रिका नहीं करना है. आप एक कोई भी आज के लिए पकड़िए 1 मिनट अपने प्राणायाम को, बिकॉज प्राणायाम से इम्यूनिटी बढ़ती है, लंग्स एक्टिवेट होते हैं, हमारे सारे डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम और अग्नि हमारी मूलाधार चक्र तक सारी एक्टिवेट होती हैं विद आसना एंड प्राणायाम प्रैक्टिस. Anything else other than thank you very Rajan, thank you so much.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Nice to meet you, ma'am.
Very nice to meet you. Your practice was very beautiful. I was observing you. You were doing it very well.
Ma'am, actually I have bloating problem. तो इसके लिए क्या कुछ ऐसा योगा है जिससे सही हो जाए? Bloating मुझे बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है bloating में.
So the basic thing that you must do, एक तो are you having enough hydration? You need lots of water in the day. क्योंकि कभी कभी हम सोचते हैं कि मुझे इतनी ज्यादा bloating है तो मैं पानी कम पीऊं, लेकिन होता है आपकी बॉडी और पानी रिटेन करती है जब आपकी बॉडी में हाइड्रेशन कम हो. So make sure you drink a lot of water. Make sure you do your pranayam. Make sure that you do your asana practice. Make sure you go for long walks. You eat at least 5 servings of fresh fruit and vegetables. गिन के थोड़ा सा आपने सैलेड कर लिया, थोड़ा फ्रूट खा लिया, कच्ची सब्जियां, फ्रूट बहुत हेल्प करती है इन वाटर रिटेंशन. एंड यू नो वेरी वियर्ड थिंग दैट हेल्प्स मी विद वाटर रिटेंशन इज पान के पत्ते. मैंने एक छोटा पौधा लगा रखा है. एंड women when we are pre-menstrual, post-menstrual, we get a lot of bloating. तो पान के पत्ते आप खाइए. That really takes out all the water from your body. I hope that helps.
Okay, thank you ma'am. इसके लिए कोई योगा आसन नहीं है क्या?
सारे आसन हमको हेल्प करते हैं बिकॉज
हमारे टमी को स्ट्रेच करें.
यस. सो ऑल इन्वर्जन, एवरीथिंग जो आप स्पाइन के लिए कर रहे हैं, फॉरवर्ड बेंड्स के लिए कर रहे हैं, जो हम इन्वर्जन्स करते हैं. इन्वर्जन्स जब आप किसी प्रैक्टिशनर या टीचर के साथ हो तभी करें, अकेले गिरना पड़ना नहीं. बट इन्वर्जन्स विल हेल्प यू विथ योर ब्लोटिंग अ लॉट.
थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you so much, ma'am. You are amazing.
Thank you. That is so nice of you. That
Hi,
is
Shiva,
really...
Ranjan this side. I have a question. Like I have a screw in my left hip ball, so I cannot, sit properly like you. I cannot fold my legs like you. So can I do all these exercise with my stretched legs?
So what you should do is have a rolled up bolster or a little height when you sit. You should not feel any sharp pinching pain in any asana. That is the rule of yoga. You need breath and body. तो अगर आपकी बॉडी में कहीं भी आपको लगता है कि शार्प पेन आ रही है, you stop. You don't have to do. If I am sitting here, feel कि मुझे यहाँ पर बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रेचिंग आती है, मैं एक रोल्ड अप ब्लैंकेट या मैट लेके I will place it under that body part. So this can be slightly elevated to release that muscle, and this can be. Then you can do everything that we can. It will happen gently, but remember, no pain, no gain वाली कहावत बहुत गलत है. अगर पेन हो, गेन बिल्कुल नहीं होगा. जल्दी से बंद कर दीजिए and start. And little by little you will feel कि stretch better हो रहा है as the muscles around the screw of your leg get stronger, because there's a around that.
Yes.
So as that begins to get stronger and stronger, be very gentle with any injury. Extremely gentle. Listen to your body, listen to your breath. Your breath will allow you to go in deeper. It's very surprising that जितना आप प्राणायाम करेंगे उतना आपको लगेगा कि आपकी बॉडी की रेंज बढ़ती actually doing the asana. It's a very strange phenomenon, that connection of breath and asana. So a lot of stretches where you feel कि यहाँ नहीं हो रहा, start your deep. That will enhance your stretching ability. But I'm so happy that you still practice. I feel very humble. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Shiva, I have one question. Thank you so much for the wonderful session, first of all.
And first of all, I was observing you as well. Your practice is very beautiful. Able to go deeper into stretches. Most men find it very difficult, even basic mountain and all. You were doing a fabulous job. I was looking at you.
Thank you so much for that. So I've been practicing a few stretches. I'm into running since 4 years, and there are two things. My hamstrings are little थोड़ा tight है, so I want few stretches if you can suggest some. And another thing is that I think I need to strengthen my lower back. Sometimes after walking around 10,000 steps, I feel that pain in the lower back. So I think I need to strengthen that. So can you?
So definitely, I ran marathons as well, so I understand where you're coming from. Running से ना सारे muscles tight हो जाते हैं. तो प्री रनिंग एंड पोस्ट रनिंग के एटलीस्ट 20 मिनट्स प्री एंड हाफ एन आवर पोस्ट स्ट्रेचिंग इज सो इम्पोर्टेंट. कभी कभी हम भागते रहते हैं एंड वी डोंट रियलाइज वी आर सो टायर्ड कि छोड़ो यार आज क्या स्ट्रेचिंग करनी. एंड द मोर यू रिलीज नॉट डू द स्ट्रेचिंग, द वर्स्ट यू आर गोइंग टू फील बिकॉज ऑफ द फायरिंग सीक्वेंस व्हिच बिगिंस फ्रॉम डाउन एंड गोज ऑल द वे अप टू योर लोअर बैक. As we run, we are putting an impact constantly on that. So that stretching is very important. There are so many beautiful runner stretches. I wish I could show you all, but if I had to show you just one which will really help you is possibly down into your Anjanaya Asan. This is your Anjanaya Asan. Stretch out your hamstrings, your quads, and then move back and stretch forward. If If this is the only runner stretch you have to do in the day, do this, but make sure you do your stretches from this range to this range. Breathe into this stretch at least for 3 minutes minimum per side, and you should feel the release in your quads, your hamstrings, your glutes, and of course will help you for
This is
basic
pre-run or post-run?
प्री एंड पोस्ट. प्री में आप शायद कम रेंज जा पाएंगे, आप यहाँ पर होंगे. पोस्ट रन you might be able to go down lower. Don't forget your forward fold as well, your basic forward fold, your cross forward fold, cross both sides and forward fold. Feel the stretch, feel really beginning to pull and open. I even like to, when I'm on my phone, my favorite stretch is just standing somewhere with my leg up and using my, this is a passive stretch. I'm using something, but it's still stretching nonetheless. So constantly stretch if you're a runner, help you in the long run. And any more stretches, come to my DM on Insta and I will tell you.
Yeah, definitely I'll do that.
All right. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Shiba, for sharing that insightful information. Hope everyone who joined the session really enjoyed it. Guys, if you have any more questions, we still have a minute. I think we are good to go. We have a great feedback from everyone. Thank you, everyone, for joining. Thank you so much, Shiba, for a wonderful session.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, all of you. Thank you, Krishna, Veni. Thank you, everybody.